Okay, today we're looking at solving equations with pronumerals on both sides. So we have an equation here that says 5y equals 3y take 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with taking that positive 3y over to the other side. So 5y take 3y equals negative 2. And 5y take 3y equals 2y. I'm then going to divide both sides by 2 because I only want one y. And negative 2 divided by 2 equals negative 1. The next question says 15y take 8 equals negative 12. So this time I'm going to start with the number and I'm going to take that over to the right hand side. So it'll be 15y take 12y plus 8. Remember, it becomes the opposite. My next step from here would be to get that coefficient and take that to the left hand side. So then our letters are on the left and our numbers are on the right. So 15y plus 12y equals 8, which would give us 27y equals 8. Now I only want one y, so I'm going to divide both sides by 27 and y equals 0.3 rounded. The next question is 6 take 2y equals negative 7y. So I'm going to start with this number here and take it over to the right hand side. So I'm going to have negative 2y equals negative 7y take 6, because remember that's an imaginary, an invisible positive symbol. My next step is going to be taking the coefficient over to the left, just like before. So negative 2y plus 7y equals negative 6. And negative 2y plus 7y is 5y, simplified. I then divide both sides by 5. And negative 6 divided by 5 is negative 1.2. Okay, now going to move on to some more complex equations. We have 2x plus 3 equals 8 take 3x. So I'm going to take this coefficient here and put that on the left hand side. So 2x plus 3 plus 3x equals 8. I'm going to simplify that to 5x plus 3 equals 8. My next step is taking the plus 3 and putting that over to the other side. So opposite of plus 3 is take 3. So 5x equals 5. I'm going to divide both sides by 5 because I only want 1x and x is 1. The next equation is negative 2x plus 7 equals 4x plus 19. I'm going to start by taking the coefficient and putting that on the other side. So I have negative 2x plus 7 take 4x equals 19. So I'm going to simplify that. So I have negative 2x take 4x, which is negative 6x, plus 7 equals 19. My next step is to take that number and put it on the right hand side. So I have negative 6x equals 19 add 7. So then I have negative 6x equals 26. Now I only want 1x, so I divide both sides by negative 6. And 26 divided by negative 6 is negative 4 1/3. Next question. We have 5 bracket x take 2 equals 2x plus 5. So I'm going to start this time by expanding that bracket using the distributive law. So we have 5x take 10 equals 2x plus 5. Then I'm going to get the coefficients and put them on the same side. So 5x take 2x take 10 equals 5. I'm going to simplify that. 5x take 2x is 3x take 10 equals 5. I'm then going to take the 10 over to the other side. 3x equals 5 plus 10. 3x equals 15. Divide both sides by 3 so I can find out what 1x is worth, and x equals 5. And that is how you solve equations with pronumerals on both sides.